Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make canned tomato soup better. Start by gently sautéing finely chopped onion and garlic until translucent, then add the canned soup base and a bay leaf. Simmer slowly to meld flavors and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. Brighten with a splash of vinegar or lemon juice and enrich with a drizzle of olive oil or cream to create a balanced, cozy bowl. Take your canned soup to the next level by layering flavors from simple, everyday add-ins. Replace water with low-sodium stock and stir in roasted red peppers or sun-dried tomatoes for a deeper tomato character. Add fresh or dried herbs such as basil and oregano, and consider a pinch of smoked paprika for warmth. Finish with salt adjustments and a quick simmer so the ingredients fuse into a richer, texture transforms comfort into restaurant style with just a few steps you can do at home. Puree half the pot with an immersion blender for a silky base while leaving some tomato chunks for bite. Stir in cream, yogurt, or coconut milk to bring smoothness and body. Finish with toasted croutons, a sprinkle of grated cheese, or fresh herbs to add crunch and brightness that make each spoonful satisfying and memorable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.